another topic I wanted to cover was hard work. And this goes into the passion thing, bro. Like this, that wasn't even planned. Like, bro, this shit is hard work. And it gets easier. And the more you think and the better you get, it's not hard work anymore. You just set a new level for yourself and it's no longer hard work. It's work. But you have to constantly be working hard to break through that next level to make it easy. And then you're working, setting up a new system, working really hard. And then you break through it. No, bro, this is a new normal. And then you got to push through again. Right? Because like now, like let's say if I didn't make 6 figures a year, I don't know what I'd do. Like it's the new normal.
Pissed.
I'd be pissed, but like it's not possible for me not to make 6 figures.
Yeah, I mean, you got to complete. It's almost like what we said as a teacher, bro. Like in order to fail a class, like you have to completely not try. Like right, like to get all Fs. Like you got to have effort to even get all Fs.
You
bro.
have to have effort.
You had to be trying to fill these classes. You know what I mean? And that's almost once you make 6 figures, it's you almost got to try not to make 6 figures,
right?
In order to not have a year like that.
And so you're just working hard to get there, and then you're gonna keep pushing, right? But it's that hard work that's gonna build into that real income, into that real lifestyle. You're not just gonna like cold call for a little bit and then give up. Like if that's your mentality and everything, bro, you're never going to. And this person probably thinks we're shitting on him, and I truly am, right? Because like if you're quitting, like I have a problem with that. Because if you're quitting at this, what are you gonna keep quitting at when this is the easiest opportunity ever to make money?